To troubleshoot Rocket Money transaction tracking, start by understanding how the system works. Rocket Money uses automated systems to track your transactions, but sometimes errors can occur. Begin by checking your account settings to ensure that your bank accounts and credit cards are linked correctly and that the information is up to date. Next, check for any notification from Rocket Money regarding issues with transaction tracking. If there are any problems, the system will often notify you via email or in-app alerts. Review your transaction history to identify any missing or incorrect transactions. Look for patterns or specific dates when the issues occurred. If you notice missing transactions, try refreshing your account data by clicking the refresh button in the Rocket Money app. This will resync your account information and may resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check your bank or credit card statements to verify that the transactions are correct and match the information in Rocket Money. Another common issue is duplicate or incorrect transactions. Check your account settings to ensure that you are not accidentally tracking the same account multiple times. Also, verify that your transaction categories are set up correctly to avoid misclassification of transactions. To prevent future issues, set up transaction tracking alerts in Rocket Money. These alerts will notify you when a new transaction is detected, allowing you to review and verify the information in real time. Regularly review your transaction history and account settings to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Rocket Money transaction tracking issues and ensure that your financial data is accurate and reliable. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and regularly review your transaction history to prevent errors and stay on top of your finances.